A Cathay Pacific, a 350, makes a hard landing, coming close to a tail strike. Cockpit view of an A321 landing, showing the pilots using the side stick.
$100, 50, 40, 30, 20, retard, 10, 5.
An Air Baltic, a 220, seen from the de-icing truck during winter operations. A Cargolux Boeing 747 comes in for landing but aborts at the last moment, turning it into a touch and go before climbing back into the sky.
Whoa! Whoa, whoa. Well, all right. Little touch and go action there. You saw the wing dip to the left pretty severely.
The Air Boeing 737 MAX begins its takeoff roll but runs past the end of the runway.
Never seen that before. Never seen a 737 take it from there. What are you thinking as a passenger sat on that now if you know the airport? Oh my goodness. Wow. No way. Wow, bet they don't do that.
So that's the end of this video. Stay tuned for the next flight and don't forget to subscribe.